Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. Cube root of 2x minus 3 plus cube root of 3x plus 2 equal to 3. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. First we suppose that let u is equal to this expression, the cube root of 2x minus 3, and we suppose that v is equal to this expression, the cube root of 3x plus 2. So the equation will become u plus v equal to 3. Let's call this equation number 1. Now if we take a cube of both sides, then this implies that u cubed equal to 2x minus 3, and if we take a cube of both sides of this equation, this implies that v cubed equal to 3 times x plus 2. Now to eliminate x from these two equations, we multiply this equation by 3. So this will become 3 times u cubed, 3u cubed equal to 3 times 2x, 6x, and 3 times negative 3, negative 9. And we multiply both sides of this equation by 2. So 2 times v cubed will become 2v cubed equal to 2 times 3x will become 6x, and 2 times 2 will become plus 4. Now from this equation we subtract this equation. So we write this equation below this equation, 2v cubed equal to 6 times x plus 4. And we subtract these two equations. Since we are subtracting, this positive 6x will become negative 6x, and this plus 4 will become negative 4. So this positive 6x will be cancelled out with this negative 6x, and this equation will become 3 times u cubed minus 2 times v cubed equal to negative 9 minus 4 will become negative 13. Let's call this equation number 2, and we recall equation number 1. Equation 1 is u plus v equal to 3. Equation 1 is u plus v is equal to 3. Move this u to the right hand side, then v will be equal to 3 minus u. So in this equation number 2, we replace this v with this value 3 minus u. So this equation 2 will become 3 times u cubed minus 2 times 3 minus u whole cubed equal to negative 13. Now by using this algebraic identity, a minus b whole cubed equal to a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3a times b squared minus b cubed. This expression 3 minus u whole cubed will become, we write this 3u cubed first, 3 times u cubed negative 2 times this 3 minus u whole cubed will become 3 cubed is 27 minus 3 squared is 9, and 9 times 3 27 times u plus 3 times 3 is 9 and u squared minus u cubed equal to negative 13. Now we distribute this negative 2, so this will become 3u cubed. Negative 2 times 27, negative 54. And negative 2 times negative 27u plus 54u. Negative 2 times 9u squared will become negative 18u squared. And negative 2 times negative u cubed will become plus 2u cubed. Move this negative 13 to the left hand side, this will become plus 13 equal to 0. Now this 3u cubed plus 2u cubed will become 5u cubed. This negative 18u squared, negative 18u squared. This 54u plus 54 times u. This negative 54 and plus 13 will become negative 41 equal to 0. Now in this cubic equation, if we check u is equal to 1, so this will become 5 times 1, 5 minus 18 times 1, 18, and 54 times 1 plus 54. This negative 41, negative 41 equal to 0. This is true, which means that this u is equal to 1 is a solution of this cubic equation, which also means that u minus 1 is a factor of this cubic equation. So we can rewrite this equation as 5u cubed. We write this negative 18u squared as negative 5u squared minus 13u squared, and we write this 54u as plus 13 times u plus 41 times u minus 41 equal to 0. From these two terms we can factor out 5u squared, and in bracket left u minus 1. From these two terms we can factor out negative 13u, in bracket left u minus 1. And from these two terms we can factor out plus 41, in bracket left u minus 1 equal to 0. And this u minus 1 is a common factor, so we factor out this u minus 1, in bracket left 5u squared minus 13 times u plus 41 equal to 0. And from here is this expression u minus 1 equal to 0, or this expression 5u squared minus 13 times u plus 41 equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of u equal to 1, and from this equation we see that the discriminant of this quadratic equation is less than 0 or greater than 0. The discriminant, that is also called delta, is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Since b is negative 13, so this will become negative 13 squared minus 4 times a is 5 times c is 41, and negative 13 square is 169 minus 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 41 820, and 169 minus 820 will become negative 651, which is less than 0. means that no real solutions can be found from this equation. So we accept only this value of u 1. Now recall that we have supposed that u is equal to cube root of 2x minus 3. We have supposed that cube root of 2x minus 3 equal to u. Since u is 1, so this will become cube root of 2x minus 3 equal to 1, and we take cube on both sides. So this cube will be cancelled with the cube root. At left hand side we are left with 2 times x minus 3 equal to 1 cube is 1. Move this negative 3 to the right hand side, this will become 2 times x equal to 1 plus 3. Further simplify, this will become 2 times x equal to 4, and if we divide both sides by 2, this implies that x is equal to 2. This is the final value of x. This is the final answer of this problem.